In Ayurveda, it is said the mud clears away the toxins. It detoxifies the skin of any impurities, leaving you with softer and fresher skin. I think the birds know this well. Here I present the hoopoo and the green bee eater doing the mud bath. Dust baths, also called sand bathing, are part of a bird's preening and plumage maintenance. It keeps their feathers in top condition. It also gets rid of insects, germs, and parasites. Preening often follows immediately after a dust bath, and the bird continues its extensive grooming regimen. After all, it is said success favors the well groomed.